Welcome to Technologya. In this video, we will learn how to interface soil moisture sensor with Node MCU and display live readings on. Let's start with breadboard setup. There is where all the components connect together neatly. This is Node MCU 8266 microcontroller. For soil moisture connections, connect the VCC to the VCC and ground pin to the ground of Node MCU 8266 and A0 analog pin to the A0 analog pin of Node MCU 8266. Here we connect the VIN pin to the breadboard so that we get 5V output from the Node MCU 8266 and supply it to other 5V required for sensors. For soil moisture connections, connect the VCC to the VCC and ground pin to the ground of Node MCU 8266 and A0 analog pin to the A0 analog pin of Node MCU 8266. Now connect the VCC pin of LCD to VIN pin, SDA to D2 and SCL to D1. Double check the connection carefully. Wiring errors can stop communication between modules. Next, connect the USB cable from your Node MCU to your computer. Open Arduino IDE. Select correct board, Node MCU 1.0 and the right COM port which is necessary. Now press the upload button, wait few seconds while the code compiles and uploads successfully. Upload complete. You can now see the soil moisture sensor reading displayed on the LCD. Watch as I dip sensor into the water, the value instantly change, showing the level readings in real time. This setup perfect of smart irrigation and IoT based plant monitoring projects. Thanks for watching.